How do you make a lavender infused oil? I'm about to show you in today's video. Hi guys, my name is Tom. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I discuss all things herbalism and aromatherapy. Today, I am going to show you how to make a lavender infused oil in just a few simple steps. But before we get into today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can watch all my latest videos on do-it-yourself remedies. Alright, so we've got our lavender jar and an empty jar here. We are going to fill this jar halfway full with the lavender bud. So we're just going to pour that right in there. We filled this jar halfway with lavender bud, and now we are going to top it off with some jojoba oil. Any kind of carrier oil you have is fine, so you could use olive oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil. Alright. And then we are going to top this about an inch above where the lavender comes up to. Alright, so we have covered that with our jojoba oil. Next, we are going to take a sheet of wax paper and we are going to cover the jar. We're going to put the lid on. And we're just going to tear off the excess paper. We've got this pot filled with 2 to 3 inches of water. It comes up almost all the way to the top. You can also use a crock pot if you would prefer. And we are going to turn the heat on. We're going to put the heat on low. And we're going to set the jar inside. We are going to let the lavender steep in the jojoba oil from anywhere between 4 and 8 hours. So let's set our timer. We're going to go on the low end for the sake of this video. We're only going to do 4 hours. Alright, and we'll be back in a little bit. Ours is up. The lavender has finished infusing into the jojoba oil. So we are going to strain it off. So I'm just going to rip a couple of coffee filters because I don't have any cheesecloth. If you have cheesecloth, I would use that. But this is kind of the cheap version. Okay, so we're going to take this off the heat. Now we are going to double strain our oil into our jar. Ready, we got lavender oil.